Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria area. Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria area. At least 43 aftershocks have occurred with a magnitude of 4.3 or more. At least 43 aftershocks have occurred with a magnitude of 4.3 or more. The quake struck 23 kilometers east of Nadahin in Gaziantep province. The quake struck 23 kilometers east of Nadahin in Gaziantep province. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 flight after a devastating earthquake. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 flight after a devastating earthquake. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep, which was in the shaking belt. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep, which was in the shaking belt. Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake. Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake. Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over. Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over. More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed. More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed. At least 120 aftershocks have occurred following powerful earthquake in southern Turkey. At least 120 aftershocks have occurred following powerful earthquake in southern Turkey. 3 of the aftershocks measured 6.0 or greater. That struck 95 kilometers north of the epicenter of the measured 6.0 or greater. That struck 95 kilometers north of the epicenter of the morning's main quake.
Merkezi karşıda evler yıkık vaziyette.
The aftershock stretched for more than 300 kilometers along the fault zone.
Acayip bir şekilde
The aftershock stretched for more than 300 kilometers along the fault zone.
Acayip bir şekilde sarsılmasıyla deprem olduğunu anladık. Geri döndük tekrardan yıkılan.
The port of Iskenderun in southern Turkey was damaged. The port of Iskenderun in southern Turkey was damaged. Some parts of the port's dock collapsed. Some parts of the port's dock collapsed.
Allah'ım sen yardım et Allah'ım. Hindistan'ın yarısı gitmiş.
Elsewhere, cracks formed on the runways of some airports in the earthquake zone.
Her yer yıkıldı Elbistan'da.
Elsewhere, cracks formed on the runways of some airports in the earthquake zone.
Her yer yıkıldı Elbistan'da.
Many countries have already begun to provide humanitarian assistance. Many countries have already begun to provide humanitarian assistance.
Antakya burası şu an. Yakın her yere vurmuş. Antakya burası şu an. Yakın her yere vurmuş.
Rescues are still working to free people trapped under the rubble. Rescues are still working to free people trapped under the rubble. More than 1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen
More
yardım
than
eyle.
1,000 high-rise buildings were destroyed.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle ya. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Sen yardım eyle ya. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen yardım eyle. Allah'ım sen
Metal
yardım eyle
rods
ya
were
Rabbi.
strewn across the
Sen yardım
streets
eyle ya
and
Rabbi. Sen
vehicles
yardım eyle.
toppled over.
Allah'ım sen yardım eyle.
Metal rods were strewn across the streets and vehicles toppled over.
Ya böyle
Entire city blocks were flattened by the quake.
ya böyle
Sen yardım et.
Entire city blocks were
Allah'ım sen
flattened
yardım
by the
et.
quake.
Allah'ım sen yardım et. Sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et. Allah'ım sen yardım et.
Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria earlier. Powerful 7.8 magnitude earthquake rocked southern Turkey and neighboring Syria earlier. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. The quake was at a depth of 24.1 kilometers. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 light after a devastating earthquake. A strong shock of magnitude 7.5 light after a devastating earthquake. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep. This aftershock was extremely shallow, only 10 kilometers deep.